Ready to improve and learn new skills? Hi, and welcome to our channel, the Upskill Geek. Our videos give you the skills you need to succeed, to make yourself more employable, to become a better remote worker, and even make your existing skills more extra. We have lots of great tutorials and useful content for you. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support our channel. It encourages us to keep making these videos. In this video, we will look at what is Microsoft Word, how to check what version of Word you are using, and how to create a blank document. Microsoft Word is a word processing application by Microsoft. It is used to create various types of documents, for example, letters, reports, resumes, cover letters, and flyers. The version of Word that I am using is Microsoft Word for Microsoft 365. It is currently the latest version of Microsoft Word from Microsoft. To check which version of Word you are using, go to the File tab, select Account, and click About Word. When you first open Word, you will be presented with a start screen. From here, you can open recently accessed documents or documents shared with you. You can also pin documents that you frequently access so you can access them easily from the start screen. From the start screen, you can also create a new document using a Microsoft template or create a blank one. Let's create a blank document. To create a blank document, simply click Blank Document. That brings us to an end to this tutorial. If you're interested in learning more about Microsoft Word, have a look at the other tutorials on our channel. We have lots of tutorials where we take a more in-depth look into Microsoft Word features. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.